Hello everybody, I am going to do something I have been putting off doing. This is my Toro Recycler 22-inch self-propelled lawnmower, and I need a new blade. I purchased a new blade right here, and we're going to attempt to take the old blade off. You can see that it's just not very sharp at all, and so we're gonna try to replace this, put a fresh blade on here, and hopefully that will improve the cutting ability of the mower. So that's what we're gonna do. So I got my ratchet set here, and we're gonna see if we can get this loose. Hold the blade. There we go. There we go. All right. Fantastic. All right. Just a little help getting that loose. That was my son. Big, strong young man. About to be 21. Help cutting issues that I've been having. Alright, there's the old blade. I don't see anything sharp on it at all. Go. Nice and fresh. Pull that blade off there. There we go. Okay, so the old blade. Man, look at the difference. Wow. Alright, so this is the cutting part. And that right there. So you can see this should make a big difference. Big difference. Here. Get that hand tight. Perfect. Good. Okay, I'm gonna turn the ratchet back the other way for tightening purposes. Alright, that's pretty tight. Okay, excellent. Okay, so we have just changed out the blade on my mower. Let's pull it back over. So, a little bit of elbow grease for the Toro Recycler 22-inch mower. That's a blade replacement. I just swapped out the blade, got a fresh lawnmower blade from my Toro 22-inch self-propelled lawnmower. I never changed the blade before. It was in really bad shape. So now we're going to see how we do with cutting and see if it makes a difference for us. But I wanted to show you the front part of the yard here. I immediately noticed when I was cutting how much better it looked and how much better it was cutting. Now we're cutting pretty low here, maybe a little bit too low. I don't know if my son changed the settings, but definitely cutting better, cutting cleaner. Don't have a little jagged pieces, still little random stray strands of grass still poking up like it was. So it is doing really well. The yard's been very dry lately. We've had a lot of dry spells lately. We get some rain a little bit lately. Now we got hurricanes coming to worry about right now. This is late August of 2020 in Louisiana. But anyway, change your blade on your mower if you haven't done so. If you've had it for a while, you feel like it's not cutting right. Also, please give us a like on the video and subscribe to more stuff. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate the support. The channel's really grown here over the summertime.